Hello dear students. In this video, we will learn update operation in SQL. As the name suggests, update, it is meant for changing or modifying some value in some column of your table. For instance, suppose you want to change salary of employee 100, as you see the very first row I am talking about. If you want to change the salary of this person from 60,000, let's say, to 75,000, then you use update operation. Update can be used for modifying one value, as I was talking about, only one value. For example, this 60,000 has to be made 75,000, or it can be used for updating multiple values. Let's take an example and also understand. We will also understand grammar or syntax of update. Imagine that we want to change the salary of employee number 101. This person I am talking about, employee number 101. Okay. And the salary currently is 35,000, as you see, but we want to make it 40,000. So what will be the update instruction? Just see, when you are watching the update instruction, also check the grammar of update. To update this salary from 35,000 to 40,000, you write grammar as update, then the table name. Immediately after update, you write the name of the table. The name of the table is EMP. And then there is one special word, we call it as reserved word, set. So what's the grammar? Update. After that comes table name. Then comes a special word called set. And then comes name of the column under which you want to do the change. The name of the column is EMP salary. Sorry, by mistake I wrote this as salary, but this should be EMP underscore salary. What should it be equal to? It should be equal to 40,000. What is it currently? It is currently 35,000. So EMP underscore salary is the column name. It will be changed to 40,000. But then you will have to tell this should be done for which row. To specify the row, you use where clause and you give the condition. You are saying that salary of only that person should be made 40,000 whose employee ID is 101. So as you see in the entire table, employee ID 101 is only true for this person. Hence, this EMP salary will be no more 35,000, but it will become 40,000. Okay, let's take one more example. Here in this example number 2, we are going to change many values. Check the example. We are saying increase the salary of all the employees working in department number 2 by 1,000. I don't know what is the good news, but whoever works in department number 2, just check this. Whoever works in department number 2, these people, whatever is their salary should be increased by 1,000. So we are going to update again EMP salary, correct? This field. And what should be the update operation is set EMP salary equal to EMP salary plus 1,000. Check the grammar. Update, then the table name. We want to update something in this table, isn't it? EMP. Then reserved word set. After that, again, I made a mistake here. Instead of giving EMP underscore salary, I have given salary with reference to this field I am talking about. Okay. So EMP salary is equal to EMP salary plus 1,000. is the instruction. But for this should be true for which rows? It should be true. This operation should occur only for those rows where department ID is 2. So this department ID equal to 2, as you see, is only true for 4 rows, which I have ticked above. So their salaries should be increased by 1000. So this person's salary will be 71,000. This person's salary will be 46,000 and so on. Okay, let's see one more example. Let's say we want to write update operation like this. Change department number of all employees to 4. That's really surprising. But just for example's sake, I have taken such an example. You see, company decides that there are going to be no departments 1, 2, 3, and all the employees will now be transferred to a department number 4. So everybody now belongs to department number 4. Okay. This is very funny, but just imagine we want to update all the values under department ID column to 4. What that means is we don't have any where clause here. We will just say update, after that name of the table EMP, then there is one special word set, and then DPTID, set the value of DPTID to 4. That's the query we have written. That's the update operation we have written over here. So there is no where over here, where clause, because there is no condition. And when we don't give where, then this updation will be done for all the rows, irrespective of any condition, because we have not given it. Just as an example, suppose we want to set everybody's salary equal. That's impossible in a company. But just imagine we want to give everybody's salary. Whatever is their old salary should be overwritten. Okay. With some new salary, let's say everybody's salary should be 50,000. Then what will be the query? It will be update EMP. EMP is the name of the table. Then set, after that name of the column, EMP underscore salary equal to 50,000. That's it. There won't be any where clause. So everybody's salary will be set to 50,000. That's update operation. It is very handy because what happens most of the times is after inserting a few rows, maybe there are some mistakes, or we call it as data entry mistakes. In one particular row, in one particular field, there were some mistakes made by the data entry operator. And obviously, we don't want to retype all the data again, but we just want to modify only the mistaken value. So update operation comes very handy in such situations. Thank you very much.